The Acrid.
I didn't really do anything much with the Capitan, so I guess I'll play Captain.
Or I could play nah. Mercenary doesn't have enough health. Let's be Acrid. I love Acrid. Acrid's like a monkey.
He's actually a lizard.
I know, but lizards can't do this. Neither can monkeys. That doesn't make my point. Okay, now I just gotta focus into movement speed. Challenge of the mountain! Oh boy!
My best friend.
My best friends. Oh, hi, other lizards. You must die.
Oh, they're cringe lizards. What is the captain's specialty? Like support, I'm guessing?
Just damage.
Because he has the fucking zoom and shotgun, but he also has like this, Jesus, I thought you were an enemy.
I don't even blame you. Like, after comes pull it up and feels pro.
He also has like the supply beacons or whatever that you want to call them.
That's probably really good during the Mithrix fight.
Yeah, I just have to make sure I don't summon them during the pillars because you can only summon them twice per stage. And you can get a healing one and a
shocking one.
And a shocking one.
You also get more down the road, but
true, but we don't have those. I don't have those at the very least.
You don't have roads.
Yeah, we don't have roads in. I should not say where I'm from. We don't have roads in Oregon. Now they know where I'm not from.
Now they have one less place to narrow it down.
Telly.
From Wyoming.
Why'd you tell them?
Comical. Nobody lives here. RKO, the challenge of the mountain.
He's on fire! Your favorite?
I can't get up there. So I just gotta just poison them. Okay, this will take 100 seconds.
That's crazy. You can just narrow down Mithrix's phases to just 100 seconds.
Except for the second thing!
So it takes at minimum
100 seconds
to kill them. Yeah.
Level 1 yeah.
Mithrix level 1 god. Kinda shabby god if you ask me. Hello, Bangalore. Jesus, the particle effect. Run! I can't. My face when the shower is a meteor, but it's a missile strike.
Oh yeah, so pretty much it doesn't kill them, but it'll leave them at like whatever amount of health, dude. Okay. Please. Thank you. Roll of pennies. That's solid.
Should we pop this, John?
Yeah, we should probably get going.
Are we gonna get going after this run?
It's all good. Because who knows how long this
sanctuary.
Who knows how long this run will take?
At the very least, probably more than an hour.
Depending if we don't die to something stupid.
I spotted a large creature in the distance.
Oh, he's fun. Not really.
I've stunned your ass. Prepare to get drone strikes. Drone strike!
Soldier serum. That's okay. Not necessarily bad, but I'd rather have something else. But
ooh, Tesla coil.
Ooh, that's actually really good. If you find a healing item, please let me know, because I'm kind of running with no healing item.
That's a problem. This is a better Tesla than... I have a bison steak if you're interested.
Okay, healing, not just health. By the way, the telly's over here.
Sensational.
Whatever, this works. Backup. I don't need backup mag. I already spit very frequently. Mocha, yeah.
Can I have the backup mag?
Yeah,
it was a seller. Okay.
Me. Glasses, or... Yeah, I'll take this. I'll take the foot. I need to run faster. Chest, please. Chest, please. Give me some healing item. Gasoline works. I forget what are you? Charge perforator. I'm pretty sure that's better than this.
Do you want me to pop in the portal?
Chance on hit to call them a lightning strike. Yeah.
You out of the portal?
Yeah, to the portal. I'll make my way over. You don't clear.
Get fucked, Beetle Queen.
Wow, I love getting useless items.
No way, Left and Daisy for again? Man, give me a Lipton tea bag.
Oh, I mean, I could get equipment. Maybe that's my healing item.
The berry.
Actually,
Kubo Junior. The fuck is that?
I'll show you. Whatever, that kind of works as a heal. Ooh!
I jumped off the stage. Is Goobo Jr. the fat kid at Walmart that you kick? Or Kmart?
I got a chest, and then the item fell off the map.
Awesome. Nah.
Anyway, let me know when you want to teleport.
Probably hit it.
And I can show you Gobo Jr. Dude, actually, with my kit, this is such a dumb kit, dude. So, Gobo Jr. makes a clone, so he just takes aggro and I just run around.
So basically you make a child and then throw him into the fucking minefield. Your name will be Gobo Jr. Goobo Jr.
Mention. Okay, we're chilling now, boys. I want more money.
More money for me.
Creature alert. Creature alert. Major creature alert.
Oh god.
Why'd you come over here? Why'd you come over here? Why'd you come over here?
Troll strike!
Die! Oh yeah, dude, you wanna see Gobo Jr.?
Sure.
This is what he looks like.
Oh, he's just you. I need to always accurate.
It is all. It's always accurate.
No matter who you're playing, it's just accurate.
Accurate is just
it's like stun accurate.
Oh, it's this
Next
guy
guy.
again.
Not this guy, bro. You're getting drone striked. I missed.
He's burning me.
Why is it spicy?
Haha. Filled.
Lamau.
Saw an alpha construct on killing elite. Ooh.
I just got a recycler. Transform an item or equipment into
Oh,
a
I
different
accidentally
one.
picked up your item from the boss. I'm sorry.
Ew.
Don't worry. You can, for next boss, you just get both of them.
How could you do it? Why do we have an alpha construct on our team?
Oh, so I get alpha constructs, so I kill an elite.
Okay.
So there's a
So
mythic.
he's here now.
Yeah, he's my friend.
You're my friend now. I just shot the oh my god. I just tried to kill this guy like 3 times. Like, my shot's not hitting, but he's a friend. That is not a friend, however. You are blue.
Leap.
Sure, fuck this place.
I don't mind this place. It's just way too open. It's like Sky Meadow, but worse.
Get me out of Accurate's house, please.
It is Accurate's house.
Oh, of course we're here again.
Dude, oh, I thought this was somewhere else. This place sucks.
Music bumps though, but goddamn.
Oh, there's.
Lovecraftian horror. And whirring.
Oh, I found the last one. The whirring grows louder than he spawns.
There are more than 5 eggs. I just found another one.
I also found another one.
Okay, I'm just gonna stay back and like shotgun snipe him. Stupid.
Oh, keep looking at me, buddy. Yeah, watch out for that.
I'm quite far away.
Anyway, go check
Yay.
that fountain thing. There should be a red item. Oh, so it's those ankle things from before.
What ankle things?
Where you jump and then you come back down. It deals damage.
Where is it? There it is.
I also believe it stops fall damage.
Oh. What does the wax quail do?
The wax quail, you jump at like an angle while sprinting. Anyway, where's the telly again?
That's a very good question.
I found it. I'm starting it because we're already pretty far behind. Oh, it's my favorite. What the hell? What? Why are you here?
I hate you, birds. That bird that I hate.
That bird that I hate. That bird.
Ooh, good heavens. Please don't. That took a lot of health.
He's dead now.
What happened?
You just launched the flying guy away.
Good.
Anyway, I say we just teleport after this.
Yes, I hate this place.
It has like no loot as well. Like the only thing is like you get a red item.
I have a thing that lets me transform things I find on the floor, so if I get like a red item that's not so favorable, I can get a reroll.
Oh yeah, I forgot we get ninja star. Actually, that's not bad. Well, for me, maybe for you, it's not the best, but because pretty much, if you shoot, it'll shoot a ninja star.
Yeah.
But for me, if I
familiar.
swing, it just throws a ninja star. I mean, I'm frozen now. I do love how high I jump.
Thanks, Acrid.
Okay, now we're on. I see you. No, it's gonna be, I'm coming for your gun. He's gonna laugh. He's doing what?
He's gonna come and then he'll be there. Sky Meadow. Not the challenge of the mountain.
Nom. That's.
Why am I jumping so high?
The shackles, they give you extra jump height.
I know, but it feels like I'm jumping higher than normal.
Oh, I believe on Sky Meadow there's less gravity, unless that's Moon.
That is Moon.
Uh,
The wax coil was sending me into like a slope, and that was launching me up.
any non. Damn it.
What happened?
No, I forgot how these ones worked. Forgot how these glasses worked, and now they suck. Yeah, I don't have a chance to do bleed. Not bleed. I don't have a chance to do critical damage.
Oh my god.
I was trying to help out too. God.
Instantaneously and slaughtered me because of it.
Oh, that's bad. That's really bad. I wish I'd go. You see that?
What?
He's like the coming equipment drone. Instead of me, bro. God damn it. Depends on what I fight. Probably be a grandparent, like normal. Yeah. Where are you?
Do I miss when these guys weren't a thing? Be ready to jump down that hole in case of the fire that burns the sky.
The air burns.
The air begins to burn. How is he healing?
Because... What are you doing, bro? Oh, he's like moving around. Okay.
That's what killed me, is the fucking explosion of the red slime, I mean. And I don't get the boss equipment. The Amazon delivery.
Bro, with how many Amazon deliveries I have, how have I not seen one?
For real, they must be spawning at like the edge of the stage or by the puzzle.
In this run.
Maybe. With the poison probably if we play good.
Those
Those helicopters are going to annihilate me though. That's the thing.
Oh dude, I forget about those. I hate the helicopter.
Because
I'll try to do the pillars as fast as possible.
I don't have good movement and I have low health. I'm going to get fucking eviscerated. And I never got to use my fucking equipment. Like, this is as fast as I can move. I can't catch up to you.
That's what I mean. I'm gonna try doing it as fast as I can. Oh, you are shooting me, of course. My entire progress with that was that because I don't have enough health to deal with that. Go, there goes that pillar. Go.
Moo.
Moo.
Of course, there's a robot.
Oh, you're still stuck down there?
Well, I didn't want to jump the gap and take a chance, so...
You don't take fall damage. So even if you fall, it's fine.
Oh.
Because that's how falling off works. You just take fall damage.
I see.
Anyway, Mythrix time.
Can't wait to get fucking mopped. Jesus Christ, you're so fat. How are you here?
It's like, go away.
The cutscene trigger is like fucking 50 meters back. Okay, I'm sending down a healing fucking totem. Well, my airstrike's gonna be fucking completely useless unless I can predict where he's gonna land. In a situation like that, I guess. Oh, into the healing totem. I guess I'll take his fucking aggro.
No, I could deal with it.
Rules of nature!
Nothing happened. Okay, yeah, see, this is the fun part for you, I guess.
Yeah. Get rid of the helicopters as fast as possible.
Give me at least 100 seconds.
There's 2 of them right here.
I just maul it.
Please do. Is he the last one?
I think so. Okay. Why is he going after you? I'm the one doing damage. Look at me.
Heal me. I died.
LMAO, you're at 1 health.
I died at the last second.
This does nothing. I can just spit at you and I get like half my items back.
Bro, why don't you take the broken bottles too?
Yikers. I got my movement speed back, you know what that means. I can just run around more.
I'm out.
Who's bro shooting at? Oh shit, the drone!
The gunner drone. Dude, holy shit. That was such a cakewalk for you. No!
Cameo! Oh.
Where's blood headed?
Crap!
What?
We're just gonna go. Boing. Meow. Then all I have to do is just run around. But I'm good at it.
Nice.
Let's gather around the campfire.
Let's gather around the Mithrix fire. It's time.
The void creatures. They're the black hole dudes. They're killing each other. Then boom. We did it. It only took us 2 hours, 25 minutes, and 30 seconds.
I wonder if it'll give me a message or it's like, haha, you died, L. Get carried, Lamau.
Carried, LMAO. It just shows you.
Flex on his ass, DK. Flex on his ass, Akard.
To be honest, I didn't think we were gonna already do it on... Dude, that means you gotta do it on Monsoon. We already beat it on Drizzle.